Information for people already paroled into the United States. This video is for people who have already received humanitarian parole and are now in the United States. Please remember that parole is not the same as asylum. Parole allows people to enter the United States temporarily. It does not mean that you have asylum or that you have legal status in the United States. Entering the U.S. through parole does not automatically give you permission to work. But if you want to work in the United States, you can fill out an application for a work permit under Category C11. It is important that you take into account that this process can take 3 to 6 months or more. If you wait to fill out a work permit application until after you submitted your asylum application, you would file your work permit under Category C8. You can find more information and a guide on how to apply for a work permit on our website, alotrolado.org/info. Once inside the U.S., you may begin the asylum process. This means that you need to demonstrate to a judge that you have fled a specific form of persecution in your country, and that there is no way to be safe in your country if you return. During your hearings, a judge will review your application for asylum and your evidence. They will hear your story and decide if you qualify for asylum or not. You will have various hearings in a court before a judge makes a decision. If you lose your asylum case, you have the right to appeal to the judge's decision. You have 30 days from the date you lost your asylum case to request an appeal and to request that your case be reviewed again. To begin the asylum process, you must turn in the asylum application, which is called Form I-589. You must turn in this application within 1 year of entering the U.S. Turning in an asylum application is complicated and can take a long time. The entire application and all of the evidence must be translated into English. The best option is to look for a good attorney in your community who can help you fill out the asylum application and represent you in court. There are many organizations that offer free or low-cost legal services in many cities across the U.S. If you opt to live in a different place than the address you gave your humanitarian parole application, you will need to turn in a change of address form to immigration court and also to the ICE attorney's office. If you moved, you may also want to request a change of venue, which means you are asking for your court case to be moved to a location closer to where you live. We recommend that you contact an attorney or local organization to help you fill out the change of address and change of venue forms if you need to. All court-related documents will be sent to the address you used on your humanitarian parole application, and your hearing will be scheduled in the court closest to the address you gave us until you update that information. You could receive a deportation order if you do not attend all of your court appointments. It is very important that you attend all your appointments in immigration court and with ICE. The appointments can be in an office or by phone. If they assign you an appointment with ICE, they will inform you in advance. If you do not appear at one of your ICE appointments, you could be detained. The asylum process is long and difficult. Unfortunately, Al Otro Lado does not have the capacity to represent your case or to help with the various complications that might arise once you are in the U.S. It is very important to understand that just as it is possible that you might win your asylum case, it is also possible that you might lose it and be deported to your country. Don't lose hope. There are many people and organizations, including us, who believe in your possibilities. Keep checking our TikTok, website, and Facebook for more information about resources that might help you in your asylum case. You should have free access to the COVID vaccine in any part of the U.S. The vaccine is safe and effective, and it is available to everyone over 5 years old. Get vaccinated to protect yourself and your loved ones from COVID. In the U.S., all children have the right to enroll in school regardless of their immigration status. In fact, the law requires that children be enrolled in school, and not enrolling them can be a problem. The school year varies a little bit from one state to another, but most schools start in August or September. Please enroll your children in school. Thank you.